Exercise number 1.5, these are the remaining bits. So third bit, log 1 by 16 base 2. So let us take out the factors of 16. 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So how many 2s are there? 4 2s. So let us write that. We don't know the value of this one. Let it be x. So here this 2 goes to that side. So it will become 1 by 16. 1 by 16 is equals to 2 to the power of x. And 16 can be written as 1 by 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 2 to the power of x. So this 2, when comes in the numerator, it will become 2 to the power of minus 4 is equals to 2 to the power of x. So when the bases are equal, power should be equated. So therefore x is equals to minus 4. Next is log 1 base 7. So for log 1, for any base, we have to write 0. So the value is, so the answer is log 1 base 7 is equals to 0. So here, since it is a formula, log 1 for any base is 0. With this formula, we are able to write 0. Next is log root x base x. So we don't know the value, so let it be y. So this x goes to that side. So root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. So this x goes there, y will be raised as power. So when the bases are equal, power should be equated. So y is equals to 1 by 2. So here you have to remember this, root a can be written as a to the power of 1 by 2. Next is, we don't know the value of 512, let it be x. Let us take out the factors of 512. 512. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, 2 6s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 2s are there. This 2 goes to that side. So we will write 512 is equals to 2 to the power of x. So 512 can be written as 2 to the power of 9 is equals to 2 to the power of x. When the bases are equal, power should be equated. So therefore x is equals to 9. Next is log 0.01 base 10. So this 0.01 can be written as, let us write this as x, 10 goes to that side, 0.01 is equals to 10 to the power of x. As the decimal is after 2 digits, so we can write 1 by 100 is equals to 10 to the power of x. So this 100 can be written as 1 by 10 square is equals to 10 to the power of x. This 10 to the power of 2 comes in numerator. So it will become 10 to the power of minus 2, 10 to the power of x. When the bases are equal, power should be equated. So therefore x is equals to minus 2. Next is, we don't know the value of this one. Again we have to take x. 2 by 3 goes to that side. So 8 by 27 is equals to 2 by 3 whole x, whole to the power of x. 8 is the cube of 2 and 27 is the cube of 3. So 2 by 3 whole cube is equals to 2 by 3 whole to the power of x. When the bases are equal, power should be equated. So x is equals to 3. Next is, so here you can see the powers are added. That means when the bases are same, powers should be added. So this property have been used. So we will separate, we will write it in opposite way like this, 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of log 3 base 2. Why? Because we can get again the same value. When the bases are same, power should be added. So 2 square is nothing but 4 into, we know that one formula is there, a log n base a, which gives us n. This is the formula. So with this formula we get the number 3. So this number will be written as here. So 4 3s are 12.